Hey, let's talk about headaches and dehydration. So, Dr. Shakib, Irvine Chiropractor, and stay tuned. Let's talk about headaches. The most common type of headache is what's called cervicogenic headache, which comes from your neck, suboccipital specifically. But what I wanted to make this video about is the importance of dehydration. Dehydration actually causes headaches. So you have to be careful. It's cold. People have that heater on their seats, or they have electric blanket, which I'm 100% against, or whatever it is that you're holding on to keep yourself warm. You're not drinking enough water, you end up with a headache, and I'm going to explain to you the physiology of that headache. In summertime, it's just hot as potentially hell, not that I've been there, but you want to make sure that you drink enough water. So what's the role of water in hydration and headaches? It's very simple. If you don't hydrate your body, you lack some oxygen. And when you lack oxygen, there is more tension, there is more lactic acid, because there is more carbon dioxide concentration, which then changes into lactic acid. So higher lactic acid concentration means more of those knots and tensions in your muscles. And when that happens, you end up getting the most common kind of headache, the tension headache. So don't go to that pill. Don't think stretching is going to help that. What you need to do is make sure you're hydrated, and then you do all the different things that are there. I've done a bunch of videos on just headache itself. It is under the playlist headache, so look them up with the nutrition that's involved with headaches, with pressure points that are involved with headaches, specific stretchings that are helpful for headaches, a whole bunch of stuff. So check them out. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, this is your opportunity. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. So if all the future videos I do, you automatically get notified and you get to watch whenever you want to. Also, I have a podcast, Life and Health Matters with Dr. Shakib. You got to check it out. It's on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Spotify, in case that's the one that you use. Thanks for watching, and take care.